Soon to rise in Minglanilla is a 100-hectare techno-business park reclamation project that is set to be completed in 2025. The groundbreaking ceremony for the 20 billion development was held on October 26, which was led by its developer Cebu Landmasters Incorporated, Minglanilla Mayor Elanito Peña, Talisay City Mayor Samsam Gullias, and Philippine Reclamation Authority Chairman Alberto Agra and his team.
In 3, 2, 1, you may now roll our capsule. And there you have it. A big round of applause, please. Yes, that's a thundering round of applause that we have. What a special moment.
Civil construction works for the project are scheduled to begin in the first quarter of 2022, while titling of properties will be done in phases starting 2023. The Techno Hub is expected to generate more than 700,000 square meters of saleable land area, earmarked for light industrial, commercial, residential, and institutional uses, while the remaining 300,000 square meters will be dedicated for roads and green open spaces. It is master planned by globally acclaimed Singapore-based Surbana Jurong Consultants.
People are moving out of Cebu City because it's urbanized. And in urbanized areas and developing cities and municipalities like Talisay and Minglanilla, we need more development. And the best way to develop one city and one municipality is through reclamation, labi na kung puno na kayo ang atoang sintro. So ang ako you have my full support. Ang ako na lang, Sir Joe, salamat kayo to the PRA for making this a reality 8 years in the making.
We will start with the hard work, and we will make sure that we will deliver it to the best of our ability, along with the cooperation of Minglanilla, the government, whom we have worked hard together. We will make sure that the trickle effect to benefit your people will happen. Big challenges lie ahead, and we will make sure that we will be able to respond to it. Making sure that we are addressing concerns like the environment and whatever we need to also enhance for the benefit of Minglanilla.
The project received its nod from the PRA last June 2021, and in 2020, it was issued an Environmental Compliance Certificate or ECC by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources after more than 5 years of extensive review.
At the beginning of the term of this PRA administration, we promised legacy islands. Hopefully soon, we will be able to step on the Techno Business Park community through reclamation. This is a testament to government in action, to government cooperation, to public-private partnership.
This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.